Control the guest, don't let the guest control you. If you have a process, follow it, even if it differs from the ones we use. Professionals use a process or a game plan to maintain control of the experience. When you have a strategy, only you know what comes next, seamlessly moving down a path to get you the information you need while the guest is still debating whether to trust you. Control means you're on offense, asking the right questions, and writing down the information received. As a result, you're getting great feedback, engaging in conversation, and leading to the next step. Closing the submarine doors behind you as you go through. Be conscious of this. Stop focusing on selling and focus on getting through each step with as much information as possible, and you'll be more successful. As a new sales consultant, maintaining control of the guest experience is the hardest thing to do. Controlling the guest requires confidence in the process. When you know what to do next, things become more apparent and a lot less stressful. An idiot with a plan can beat a genius without one all day long. So stop winging it and start living a planned out, detail-oriented, controllable guest experience, and you will decrease time spent and increase monies earned.